Hello, all you beautiful friends. How are you doing today? This is Jesper, Luxury Lifestyle Coach. There are a few things that I want to mention today, and that is, life is risky, and taking risks is risky. But if you don't take risks, you might risk it all. And we have to be willing and ready to risk some things to gain what we want and to change our lives and get the things that we desire and dream about in life. And my last year has been very exciting. In June 2015, I was in Iceland again. And since then, I've been in Sweden, I've been in Spain, and now I'm in Portugal. I was in Tavira and Portimao, and now I'm in Lisbon. And Lisbon is amazing. Every step that I made in this journey was risky, but it was so rewarding, and I have gained so much from it all. How am I able to do it? Yes, I'm working online and I'm doing the things I love and dream about. I'm starting my online course via thecreatorsacademy.com, and we have to get out of a comfort zone, try new things, try different things, create things that we dream about, create our own job, create our own opportunities, create our own possibilities, and take the step out of a comfort zone and make our dream life come true. If we don't take risks, we will always be in the same place. But if you're ready to take risks, and if you're ready to risk it all to gain it all, we will gain it all. That's, my friends, a little message to you. Jesper Belia, Luxury Lifestyle Coach. If you want to know more about me and what I do, just go to my website, yex.com. If you want to sign up for my online course, you can go to via thecreatorsacademy.com. Take care, and I'll see you soon.